One of the most frequently asked questions is how many hinges should I install on a door? The answer depends on the size, intended use, and environmental conditions. 2 hinges are recommended for doors between 2,000 and 2,100 millimeters high and up to 900 millimeters wide.
Under these conditions, if everything is properly sized, 2 hinges are usually more than sufficient.
The use of 3 hinges is recommended in several cases. For doors higher than 2,100 millimeters, for installations in humid environments, for thin doors or doors made from lightweight materials, or for doors separating areas with significantly different temperatures.
In any case, the 3rd hinge should be installed in the center and helps maintain the flatness of the door panel over time.
For very large doors, both in height and width, or for heavily frequented public environments, the installation of 4 hinges is recommended. The 4th hinge supports the upper one and should be positioned 250 millimeters below the top hinge. This increases stability and reduces stress during intensive use.
Adding more hinges does not always increase load capacity, but mainly helps improve the door's durability and stability.
In the next video, we will see how accessories, installation environment, and certifications influence the choice of hinge. See you next time.